Hi everybody, my name is Amir and I am an EFL teacher and exams expert. I've been training candidates for a variety of exams for the last 15 years, and I would like to welcome you to my brand new IELTS 2026 course. Despite the changes that have come to a lot of exams, IELTS is not going through a lot of changes in 2026. You may see a lot of videos and clickbaits on the internet telling you that IELTS is going to change in 2026 and stuff like that, but that's not going to happen. IELTS is not going through any specific changes this year, and like any other year, we may have some updated recordings and texts. Other than that, there are no updates that you should be worried about. We did have some updates regarding to some of the rules. In the last 2 years especially, a lot of changes to senders. In a lot of countries, you can no longer take IELTS. And IELTS paper-based has been limited in a lot of locations. You have to be a citizen of a country to be able to take the test. But we will talk about these and more in this course. This course is designed for anybody who's preparing for an IELTS exam. In the description of this video, I will create some timestamps, and you can click and skip the sessions and go to the section that you need. But if this is your first time watching the video, I highly recommend that you follow the same order and watch the entire video and plan your preparation. Remember, this is a preparation course. I'm not going to teach you any grammar or any language. We will talk about useful language for IELTS, but we're not going to dig deep in general English. So this is completely designed for those who are preparing for IELTS exam. Whether your IELTS is in 2 weeks or 2 months or a year, this course is something you can watch and benefit from all the tips and tricks that I share with you, all the scheduling plans and everything. And basically my experience in the last decade or so. So just to give you an overview, I'm going to talk about the format of the test, the different versions, the different modules. Then we're going to get into each skill in more details: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Then we're going to talk a little bit about vocabulary and grammar for IELTS. We're going to talk about how to plan your preparation, where to start, how to check your English, how to plan your days and your hours, what kind of exercises you need to get, different practice tests that are available, and what I recommend personally as somebody who has been preparing candidates for many years. And eventually we will get into signing up for the test and the things you need to pay attention to for the day of the exam. Remember, our goal is to make sure that you are as prepared as possible. So practice and preparation are two words that you're going to hear a lot from me. I'm also adding a workbook to this video, and you can download it from the description. Remember that comment section is open. Let's use that as a forum to share your experience, ask your questions, and allow me to help you with your preparation. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my courses and my other videos. Like this video and share this with your friends who are preparing for IELTS. So let's get started.